Ka Meghalaya Bharat Scouts&Guides. Hakas ngi palay kelas dang ya kajing Rakhe dap san pos snem kajing ya ilenti jungka da kabapli ya umau sa jingkan mau. Balai sengubha da kakong arpasa kabadai ka Vice President. Haka office trekam kabahe du jungka hanong ba shilong. Ya une umau sa jingkan mau. Lawan banpli da ubah DPU alang. Beriu Additional Chief Secretary. But Chief Commissioner ka Sarkar Jela. Haka jingan don lang ubah W lengdo badiu State Secretary ki Scouts and Guides bat kiwe. Ka Meghalaya Bharat Scouts&Guides kan sa palongpa de kajing Rakhe ka bapura haka kakandai trik leber lengba ki program ki bapher ki jongka.
Bharat Scouts&Guides on this very important occasion where we are starting the Golden Jubilee celebrations from today onwards, and this is a very important organization for all of us, and the sense of fraternity that has always been displayed by the Scouts and Guides here in Meghalaya is something which is always worth emulating. I would like to thank all of you who are present here this morning. I would like to offer a special thanks to Kompasa for donating this memorial tablet, which will remain here for many years to come. And as you are all aware that the motto for the celebration of 50 years is that we should be prepared and to empower the youth and also to power the nation. Let us carry this message forward to all the members of this fraternity, and I wish the celebrations, the Golden Jubilee celebrations, the very best of luck. Thank you very much.
Habai keren berubah W lengdo ulai tu banamne syakmat kakan hun kan sanang pynïar syusyu ya karukom trikam ban ailat ikesamla naduh ki university hadu ki college.
So hak jingi day but kedek jing li ya memorial tablet menta kesi khanyo trik march akter akwar kalong ba ya gani ka Meghalaya Bharat Scout Guide la form la snem hak khat khandai trik march siang dai spa ye puar but kan dap san snem hak khat khandai trik march arja akwar but menta khanyo trik ni inaugurate yauneu mau nongrim tablet kumba launching ke jing stang naga benta ke jing ya jong gene ke jing Rakhe sanposnan baro chisnam but khat khandai terik ro long ya ke meeting naga benta kani ke jo jing thna is a jisuin benta step along launching ke jing stang ban ya ke jing Rakhe ke jing dap sanposnan jong gani ga association ag state Meghalaya jingi halak ki kam babha nag banta ki jing baha jong youth jong student nag banta ki jing dai de ke jai benriu bat ye ke lang salan apo gini ki san hausnan bon ki kam ki bunglele ag jing sedang hausnan jerai jaga spani puar idan tang khandiat ki membership ki join scout ki join guide andre menda ki jingdap sanposnam ila cross ya ka ar phunye hajab tam ki membership scout and guide abaro jong state jong Meghalaya la kondo koro ye ki kam hapo jong ke district but kumju ro shabar jong ke district but lang bagini sanposnam ki youth jongi ki student jongi dia lag ban attend the NIC called National Integration Camp la conduct the national headquarters of New Delhi la conduct shagway par state but ishna jingi yo benishim benta ban expose ya culture ya jinglang jingim babha but sibon jing mentoi do yo po gini santos na don ro ishna jingi ibeliyo ban lek ban sim benta international events kibadai shabar jongari gejogi but along the jinkarku itu kena beliau training along the jingerap baki ro kilong ke sampu but utilize ki nagtanta ki activities ki obon ki ba kam about state ki. This celebration is in the state. However, we informed all the district in Meghalaya for the purpose of 50 years centenary celebration of our scouting and guiding. Because as of now, all the 11 districts they have got units. So this message, these 50 years, are all known by all the district associations. We are proposing to construct a hoarding mentioning the activities of scouting and guiding as the youth discipline organization through various trainings, campings as a symbol, as a sign of Golden Jubilee celebration. Expansion of the scouting and guiding in our state means we used to conduct a 7 days basic training camps to scout master for the male teacher and guide captain to the female teachers. As soon as they have finished the basic course of 7 days training, so they are able to form to start in their respective institution of different district wherever they are teaching. Now, as we have completed 50 years, our intention is that we'll have to enlarge, to upgrade the scouting and guiding to the universities and to colleges so that the rovers and the rangers, the senior scout and guide, where they are reading, study in universities and colleges, we can enroll, we can expand to this level.
Actually, we teach them the skills at the Bharat Scouts and Guides. So the life skills, the important skills for them to survive. And I believe that the training they receive at the headquarters, it will equip them to be really responsible people, responsible citizens. And I'm sure with the skills that have been equipped, they would really find themselves placed in different domains, in different jobs, and they would do well. Because the motto of a guide and a scout is to be prepared, and therefore, this is what we train them in, to be prepared in life. And I believe that once they come for training over here, they will be equipped to take up any responsible job that is being offered to them. And as Bharat said just now, as our secretary had said, that we are focusing on getting more enrollments from the higher education sector, from the colleges and the universities, so that we also have that mission in us to prepare the youths for whatever comes to them in their lives.
Miss J. Begum, former principal of Medicating Girls High Secondary School and the vice president of this movement. I joined this movement in 1973. I just want to say one thing that today I'm very lucky and very fortunate that I could attend the launching program, and for that I'm very thankful to our secretary. And one thing, the question you have asked me, I mean here, for whatever training the children they get, even I got the training here, it will be very, very useful for their future plan, whatever they want to.